Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to trade futures on Bybit. First thing first, you can place a futures order using quick trading on the trading chart, then instantly place limit or market orders, or you can do it through order zone, choose basic or advanced orders with more personalized settings. Now, margin modes and position mode and leverage. Cross margin, which means all funds in your account can be used to avoid liquidation, and isolated margin, which only the margin you assign to that position is at risk. For the position mode, one-way mode, only one position direction allowed, and hedge mode, which holds both long and short simultaneously, only for USDT perpetual contracts. And finally, leverage, which is adjustable depending on the risk tier, and high leverage means high risk plus lower margin required. You have three order types. You have limit order, which enter price and amount and executed only at your chosen price. Market order, which executes immediately at the best available price, and conditional order, which triggers when the market hits a certain price, stop loss, take profit, etc. Now, for the price settings, you have order price, which is the price you want to buy or sell with, trigger price, which is your order activates, and market price versus last traded price, LTP, used differently depending on liquidation or trigger conditions. You can set your order by quantity, order value, and cost. Bybit automatically calculates the order fields based on your leverage and margin. Once everything looks good, click buy or long if you expect the assets to rise, click sell or short if you expect the assets to fall, and confirm your order in the pop-up window. A pro tip, always set stop loss and take profit when opening futures trades to margin and manage risk. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.